Hey everyone, this is Brian with the DroneMobile team, and today I'm going to walk you guys through the new DroneMobile app. We've redesigned the entire app, including the registration process, so let's start there. If you don't already have the DroneMobile app installed, be sure to do that first. You can get it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. If you've already registered your device online, most of that information will be populated on the app during the setup process. So let's walk through that now. You want to upload your profile picture, your vehicle image, add some detail about your vehicle. You'll then be prompted to enable location services, which helps for GPS tracking. You'll get another prompt to enable push notifications, which helps you receive your DroneMobile alerts. And now let's go to the home screen. Starting at the top of the page is the vehicle that you're currently selected on. If you have multiple vehicles on your account, you can switch to them by selecting the icon in the top right hand corner and tapping the one that you want. Next is the GPS tracking widget, shows you the current location. Drivers allows you to share your vehicle. Car battery gives you the current voltage of your vehicle. Status gives you details about your car. Temperature inside of the vehicle. And then the driving gives you the mileage, along with the system widget that gives you details about your DroneMobile device. If you click edit here at the bottom, allows you to rearrange those widgets and how you see fit, and then you can also delete the ones that you don't want to see. Next is the tracking page, which gives you the location of your vehicle. We have more details about this in another video linked down below. And so now let's demo the control features. So on the controls page, if you tap the lock icon, you get lock. Tap on the unlock icon, you get unlock. And then to remote start, you want to press and hold for 2.5 seconds. And then you get the car to start. And once the vehicle successfully remote started, you'll get the remaining runtime right here on the start button. And to shut it down, you want to press and hold for 2.5 seconds. And there you have it, the vehicle stopped. Now if you swipe over to the left, you'll get access to 4 additional controls. The first 2 being auxiliary 1 and 2. These are typically used for sliding doors or rolling windows up and down. For more information about this, you want to contact your local dealers. The next is the trunk button. So you want to tap that. And if you have that installed, that'll pop your trunk. Like so. And then the last is the panic feature. If you want to make a lot of noise, you're just trying to find your car in a parking lot, press and you get a lot of noise. To turn it off, just tap it again and there you go. And that's it for the controls features, and onto the activities page. And now onto the activities page, which shows your alerts and your device reports. And by selecting them, we'll give you more details about that event. Next, we have our setup page, which covers your vehicle info, alerts, system settings, and service mode. If you tap vehicle info, here's where you find the serial number of your drone and more information about your vehicle. You have your alerts. That covers how you receive your notifications for your security, your vehicle health, and advanced tracking. Next, moving on, is your system settings, which covers the different features of your remote start security system. And then last is service mode, which grants temporary access to your installer if they need to service the vehicle for any issues that you might be having. And last is the cake nav. Starting at the top, we have our accounts, which allows you to edit your profile information. Next is sharing, which allows you to share your vehicle to your family and friends. Geofences, we're going to skip over that because we covered that in a whole nother video linked down below. Next is settings, and this is going to cover your app preferences. 2 that really stick out is the auto refresh that updates your vehicle status whenever you open up the app. The other is show commands, and this launches the control screen as soon as you open the app, which gives you quicker access to controls. And then last, we have the help, which links you to our knowledge base. And there you have it. Let us know how you're using the DroneMobile app in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and visit our blog to learn more about what drone can do for you. See you next time.